Malco's OXY Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. It's a ready-to-use formula. Its all-purpose fabric cleaner quickly removes dirt, salt, coffee, juice, and other stains. Malco's Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner also dries quickly and leaves no residue. This seat has some common issues such as dirt and water stains. Here's what you'll need to get the job done. Put the product inside a trigger spray bottle. First, test in an inconspicuous area. After checking for color fastness and seeing that there's no issues, move forward and spray the product directly onto the stain. Allow the product to dwell for a minute or two. After the product has dwelled, using a microfiber, blot the surface until dry. If the stain still remains, you may have to agitate. So repeat the first few steps until you've achieved clean seats. These shots depict before and after. As you can see, the water spots and dirt contamination have been removed, leaving you with a seemingly new seat.